Welcome to a new video on Rachnantar. So many of you had messaged me on Instagram and Facebook for this complete video of the residence. So on such great response from you all, decided to bring the complete video of the planning, making as well as the complete home tour at the end of the video. So do watch till the end. So in today's video, we will look at the entire 2 BHK, that is 560 square feet residence at Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. So let's begin. On first meet with the client, they just mentioned that convert my flat into a home, which was only their single statement over the brief. Although the client had various interests and achievements along with an enthusiastic family, hence wanted to somewhere make their identity reflect in their home. So let's begin with the short introduction to the planning of the flat. People usually say first attraction is the last attraction. Yes, the door is always the first attraction of the house. Being a spiritual family, they wanted a resemblance of spirituality on the entrance of the house. Moving towards the living room. 560 square feet flat consisted of a rectangular living room of 3.10 meters by 4.7 meter with a sill height level window, as you can see in the photo. Designing a living space to provide aesthetic as well as comfort and a great party place with ambient lighting where client along with friends and families can gather was the idea towards the living room. Placing of sofa and TV unit forms a basic requirement, but its placement needs to be the most adequate one. Placing the sofa here restricted view for the outsiders into the bedrooms as well as the kitchen. Along with a 5-seater sofa, they wanted additional sitting for a large number of guests to accommodate in the living space. Hence, we decided to convert the normal window into a French window, bringing in good amount of natural light and ventilation, and provided Indian sitting besides it. Thus, the living space had enough sitting for both elderly and younger ones. The placement of TV unit was such that it would be seen from both the sitting places. The most favorable demand, which normally all the women of the home need, is watching TV while cooking. Here we received such same demand. Hence we broke down the kitchen and living space dividing wall and made a semi-open kitchen with a serving platform towards the living room. It added on to more spacious look to the living space. As mentioned earlier, the client had various hobbies and achievements, one of which was golf. Yes, the client is a great golf player and a coach. To add on his identity in his house, we decided to make an artificial scaled golf course model below the serving platform of the kitchen, which added special attraction in the overall living room. The client was very happy with the idea. I had never visited a golf course, so it was a big challenge to replicate something that you have never seen or visited. On this, the client, being very helpful, explained me each and every little thing of the golf so perfectly that the golf course turned out to be the best part of the entire house. Along with aesthetics, requirements never end. So the basic and the main requirement of every family is the dining area. We noticed that there was no such special area provided by the builder for dining. So we had to place it somewhere in the living space itself. Providing a dining along with sitting requires large space. Hence we decided to provide a folding dining table. The dining table on folding would give a photo frame look and on opening would create a great 5-seater dining table. To remember for all who are designing a home, the most preferable space for dining table is near to the kitchen wall. Hence, according to the proximity, dining table was placed on opposite wall of the kitchen in living room. The foremost requirement of every youngsters today is a party place somewhere into the house to party along with friends and family. There was no such special party room terrace provided, so we decided to convert the living into a multifunctional room by providing a special designed false ceiling with ambient mood lightings, which totally changed the look of the entire living room. Although basic requirements were fulfilled, yet many things were there to go. While interior designing a space, many tend to interior decorate it. So you might be thinking, what's the difference? Yes, there's a vast difference between interior designing and interior decoration. Adding on plants, artifacts, lamps, or some movable or unfixed things is called interior decoration, which, although many tend to just place things which they already have into the living room. But I would suggest before buying such things, do think where to first place them in the living room. Similarly, we shopped an amazing bike watch from Amazon, attaching the link below, and a flower vase besides the TV unit, and some plants and succulents to add on freshness into the living room. So it was all about the living room. Moving towards the most important part of the house, the kitchen. We had a single platform with shelves provision above as well as below. We also had extra drawers near the serving platform window. To detail it out, we'll surely have a different video on kitchen and its laminate materials and anthropometry. The passage functioned to be the entry of kitchen, two bedrooms and a common washroom. The tiles in the passage was selected on first C, which is one of my favorite tiles in the entire house. Many visitors and guests tend to touch and feel the texture and the design of the tiles. Moving towards the bedroom. Who said the brown and greys are boring? The tones selected for both the bedrooms were monochrome of brown. Selection of materials, the curtains, wallpapers, paint, finishes turned out to be a subtle tone, with lights adding on to the mood into the bedroom. Basic requirement of bed and wardrobe was fulfilled, yet there was something eye-catching remaining. So we decided to detail out the design in terms of basic requirement. So the client mentioned of night light, which shouldn't be disturbing the eyes. So this part clicked me and I decided to create an interesting backrest pattern with night lights creating a soothing and cozy environment at night. Dressing table, dressing unit, mirror. Oh God, so many requirements to be fulfilled for a woman in the house. The client was very specific about Vastu, keeping the mirrors closed, positioning of things, etc. So we decided to place an openable mirror with a dressing, again a space-saving furniture. Keeping in mind the Vastu and positioning, the mandir was designed at east of the home with steps providing space for murtis and hanging bells and a top light adding on to its beauty. So now let's look at the final home tour. like the video, please do consider to like, share and yes, subscribe to give a great start to the channel.